Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, we are going to discuss Geeks for Geeks problem of the day, and today's problem is make the array beautiful, and it is an easy level problem. So the problem statement says that we have been given an array of positive and negative integers and we have to make the array beautiful. Like, and the array is called beautiful if two adjacent integers ARR of I and ARR of I plus 1 have the same sign, right? And if the signs are different, it says that we have to remove both of them, right? So we can perform this operation as many times as possible so that the array becomes beautiful and we have to return the beautiful array. So let us discuss a sample test case first. Now let me just take this particular test case. So we have 4, 2, these two have the same sign, no problem. Then comes -2. This -2 will take away this particular 2 because these two have opposite signs, right? So it will be removed. Now the next comes 1, so the answer is 4 and 1, right? So this will be our answer. But what happens if the test case was like this: 4 -2 -1, right? So this particular 2 will eat each other out and these will cancel each other, so these have to be removed. Now the next -1 will have to deal with this particular 4 and these have to be removed as well, right? So it's like a passing on effect. Whenever some items are removed, the effect is passed on to the remaining elements, and if their signs are different, they have to be removed as well. So this, if you have observed till now, is a very simple application of stack. What you can just do is push the first element in the stack. Now just check whether the next element has the same sign or equal sign. If it has the same sign, you can just push it again. Now the next element is -2. It has opposite sign, so you can just pop the topmost element. Now the next element is 1, so you can just push it. If it was -1, what you can do is you can just, with these two have opposite signs, so you can pop the topmost element of the stack. Now when you have like the final stack with you, there will be some elements A, B, C, D in this order. What you can just do it, you can just push them one by one into a vector D, C, B, A like this, and just reverse the whole vector, right? So the final order will be the correct order, that is ABCD, right? So this is exactly what you have to do in this particular problem. You just have to store the element in the stack. If the next element has different sign than the current element, then you can just pop it. You can just pop the topmost element. If the next element has the same sign than the previous element, for example 4 and 1, you can just push this element into the stack, right? So this would be the solution of today's problem of the day. And I'll tell you a very interesting way to check whether the two numbers have the same sign or not. So for example, if you have A and B, right? So what you can just check is if A is less than 0, this will return some value 0 or 1 or true or false, right? If A is less than 0, then it will return true like this, otherwise it will return false, right? Similarly, you can just also check for B is less than 0. 0 and 1 will be the answer. Now if like both of them are greater than or equal to 0, then the answer will be 0 and 0. Otherwise, if both are less than 0, then the answer will be 1 and 1. And if like one of them is less than 0 and the other is greater than equal to 0, then the answer will be 0, 1. Now we can take the XOR of all of these values. In this case you will get 0, in this case you will get 0, in this case you will get 1, right? So you can just check whether A is less than 0, XOR B is less than 0 is true. If this whole expression is true, that means the elements at the top of the stack and the current element have opposite sign, and this is exactly what I'm going to use, right? So let me just show you the code now. So this is my code where I've initialized stack and I just traverse the whole array. If the size of the stack is 0, I just directly push the element into the stack, and I just check if stack, otherwise I just check if the stack dot top is less than 0, XOR I is less than 0, right? So if one of them is less than 0 and the other is not, or the other one is greater than equal to 0, I'll have to pop the element. That means the signs are different. Otherwise, if the signs are same, I just push it into the stack. Now I create my final answer vector and I just run a while loop while stack is not empty, and I just keep pushing back a top element into the stack and keep popping elements from the stack. At the end, I can just reverse my answer vector and return my answer. So this was all about solution for today's problem of the day. Make the array beautiful. I hope you guys were able to understand the solution. If you guys did, then you can consider dropping a like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's always free of cost, and if you don't like the videos later, you can always unsubscribe. So till the next video drops, keep coding, stay safe, bye bye.